Welcome to Campfire Cooking, where we'll transform you into culinary stars of the great outdoors. We're about to dive into some easy campfire recipes that'll have you ditching those dehydrated disasters and savoring the real deal. Whether you're a seasoned camper or a newbie, these recipes are sure to make your outdoor experience delicious. Hearty breakfasts, satisfying lunches, fire-roasted dinners, and even a sweet treat or two. And the best part? You won't need a fancy kitchen, just a roaring campfire and a bit of grit. So grab your ingredients, fire up that campfire, and let's get cooking. First up, we're tackling breakfast. It's the most important meal of the day, even in the wilderness. Let's start with a breakfast burrito so good it'll fuel your adventures all day long. Start by slicing or dicing some potatoes, onions, peppers, and mushrooms. Toss them in a cast iron skillet with some oil over medium heat. Now, we're not looking for raw, crunchy veg here. Cook them until they're caramelized with a bit of char for that smoky flavor. While the veggies are sizzling, crack a few eggs into a bowl and whisk away. Season with salt, pepper, and a dash of hot sauce if you like it fiery. Pour the eggs into the skillet and scramble them up with the veggies. Finally, warm up some tortillas over the fire, pile on the egg and veggie mixture, and wrap it up tight. Lunchtime is calling, and we're not settling for soggy sandwiches made with lousy cheese. We're elevating the classic grilled cheese to new heights with this high-quality campfire version. Grab your favorite bread, sourdough, rye, whatever tickles your fancy. Butter those slices generously. We want a golden, crispy crust. Now for the star of the show, the cheese. Go classic with cheddar or mix it up with Gruyere, Swiss, or even a bit of Brie. Assemble your sandwich with a generous layer of cheese and place it in a cast iron skillet or grill over medium heat. Cook for a few minutes on each side, pressing down gently until the bread is golden brown and the cheese is oozing and irresistible. As the sun begins to set, it's time for a hearty, soul-warming dinner. This campfire chili is the perfect meal to warm you up from the inside out. Start by browning some ground beef in a large pot or Dutch oven over the fire. Drain off any excess grease, then toss in diced onions, peppers, and garlic. Cook until softened, then stir in your favorite chili spices. Cumin, chili powder, smoked paprika, and a touch of cayenne for a kick. Now, for the good stuff. Add in crushed tomatoes, kidney beans, black beans, corn, and a generous splash of beef broth. Bring it to a simmer, then cover and let it bubble away for at least an hour, stirring occasionally. The longer it simmers, the more flavorful it becomes. It's simple. You can't go camping without indulging in the ultimate campfire treat. S'mores. This classic combination of graham crackers, chocolate, and toasted marshmallows is a must-have for any outdoor adventure. Grab a skewer and spear a marshmallow. Now here's the key. Don't just torch it. Hold it over the embers and slowly rotate it, allowing the heat to evenly melt the inside and create a beautiful golden brown exterior. While the marshmallow is still gooey, sandwich it between two graham cracker squares with a piece of your favorite chocolate bar. Milk chocolate, dark chocolate, or even a peanut butter cup. Press it all together, let the heat from the marshmallow melt the chocolate slightly, and chomp away. Let's end on the highest note with campfire banana boats. A simple yet decadent treat that's sure to satisfy your sweet tooth. Grab a banana and slice it lengthwise, but don't cut all the way through. You want to create a little boat for all the deliciousness to come. Now, stuff that banana with your favorite toppings, chocolate chips, mini marshmallows, chopped nuts, a drizzle of caramel or honey. The possibilities are endless. Wrap the banana boat in aluminum foil and place it directly on the embers of your campfire. Cook for about 5 to 7 minutes or until the banana is soft and the toppings are melted and gooey. Carefully unwrap your banana boat, grab a spoon, and dig in. Well, you've officially graduated from Campfire Cooking 101. Now get out there and impress your fellow campers with your newfound culinary skills. Remember, cooking over a campfire is all about embracing the simplicity and savoring the flavors of the great outdoors. Choose the best ingredients and you'll get the best results. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more camping tips and recipes. Share your campfire cooking triumphs in the comments below. We want to see what you come up with. Happy camping and bon appetit from Camper Outpost.